Hey y'all, welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you are having a wonderful week and I am super excited. As you could see, we have finally the winter 2019 Causebox. So I am super excited to get in here and see exactly what I got for winter 2019. Before we do, I do want to remind you guys, we do have an active giveaway going on. If you would like a chance to win the Tati palette, that link will be down below. So let's get in here and see. For those of you that are not familiar, Causebox is a seasonal subscription. So every winter, spring, summer, and fall, you will receive a box. It is $54.95. Now I do have a link down below if you'd like to sign up that will save you $10 off your first box. And one thing I absolutely love about Causebox is they only put products in their box that give back, that support different causes and that are ethical and things like that. And I love that about them. So let's get in here. The box is huge and it is very heavy, but this is what we see when we open it. There's always a pamphlet. And good news, winter 2020. So maybe it's not winter 2019, it's the winter 2020. That's what it says right down there. So we will dive in here and we will reference this when we need to. It does go over, you know, all of the items. What's in the box? A few of your favorite things. And then it just goes over other information and a little more in depth on the products. Pull open a sticker. They do always put like a little postcard in here, and it says, if you look closely, you will see hope is close, love is near, and kindness can be found in all seasons. Oh, I like that. So there is that. And then, like I said, it's a postcard, so we have that guide. All right, so we'll just start right here. Switch it up and change your look. This is by Foxy Originals. So let me take it out of here. Well, this is exclusive design for Causebox, made in Canada. So there's 3 little earring studs. And this, okay, so this actually was a variation. You could have received this or a holiday hair clip set from Machete. This says mix and match stud earrings, a set of 3 studs in 3 different shapes and 3 different metallic finishes. And this is $30. So we do have gold, rose gold, and silver. So a little bit for whatever your taste may be. So that is super cute. Okay, and our next product is Vitiv Daily Hair Vitamin. Nourish your hair with all the love it needs in one easy leave-in solution. So there is the packaging. Okay, this also could have been a variation. So you could have received this or the Pure 4-in-1 Correcting Primer. This has a $30 value, a vegan, cruelty-free, multitasking hair product that does the work of a mask, serum, and hot oil. Huh. Healthier hair in one solution. Silicone-free, paraben-free, gluten-free, cruelty-free, natural ingredients, formaldehyde-free. Let's give her a smell. I haven't used like a hot oil in forever. Y'all remember those little little tubes you used to have to like heat up? I remember those. What were they? Oh, what was the brand? Oh, it even came with a little brush. Method of use: apply to wet hair directly after cleansing and conditioning. Depending on hair length, dispense 1 to 3 pumps of Vitiv into your palm. Rub your palms together and work Vitiv into your hair. Start at the ends, working your way up to root. Massage the remainder into your scalp. Comb Vitiv evenly through. It will assist in detangling your hair. It says leave it in and air dry or blow dry your hair and style as desired. So it does have the little pump, and then there is the bottle. Let's see what this smells like. There is a safety seal. You know what? Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and put the pump in there. Okay, so the pump is in. So there's what we actually see. I got some on my nail. I kind of want to see. It does have a slight scent and it smells very, very good. What I can smell. So I'm excited about that. And I like that there's the comb so that when your hair is wet and you do it, you can actually do what it says and comb it through. So yay. All right. And then this says Artisan Direct. Artisan Direct. Okay, so this was a variation item as well. So you could have received some cozy convertible mittens, or a, like, it says Luxe jewelry box, kind of like a traveling jewelry box, or this is, oh, these are gold serving spoons. A stunning set of gold serving spoons, handcrafted by artisans in Moradabad, India. And this is a $39 value. Oh, I'm excited. And this, if I had an option to choose, I would have definitely chosen this for sure. These are gorgeous and they have weight to them. Oh my goodness, I absolutely love these. And this is something you don't see a lot in subscriptions unless it is like a seasonal and lifestyle subscription. I'm so happy to have these to add to my kitchen. So yay. All right, and then we have, oh, this is from Derma E Hydrating Night Cream with hyaluronic acid and green tea. Yes. Okay, and this is something everyone got. A natural ultra rich and intensely hydrating night cream that nourishes your skin while you sleep. $29.50. Say goodnight to dry skin. This ultra rich, intensely hydrating night cream replenishes anti-aging moisture while you sleep. Hyaluronic acid helps to rehydrate dry, thirsty, aging skin, while antioxidant-rich green tea, along with enriching vitamins C, ester, A, and E, help to soften and smooth skin for a younger-looking you. Oh. And it's GMO-free, cruelty-free, vegan, gluten, soy, all of that. No parabens, phthalates, formaldehyde, petroleum, sulfates, mineral oils, artificial fragrance. Awesome. Love a good night cream. So there is the actual bottle, this glass, the jar. There's a safety seal. That does look like a good, nice, thicker night cream. Just put a little bit there from the lid. It has a very, very, very light scent, and it is just kind of fresh. And oh my goodness, that is going on my face tonight. Yes, so there is that. All right, and then, so it looks like the last two, that and then the last two items everyone would have received. This is from Whitney Kearney, and this is a set of 2 mugs. A set of 2 custom-shaped mugs designed by Whitney Kearney. Proceeds support victims of domestic violence. And this is a $35 value. I love that. These gorgeous mugs were hand-illustrated by Florida-based artist Whitney Kearney and exclusively shaped and sculpted from the bottom up. Whitney is known for her abstract line movements and patterns, and for her delicate balance of texture and tone. These mug designs were inspired by female form, abstract poetry, and her own timeless sense of style. And these were made just for Causebox. And again, proceeds for these go to domestic violence. Love that. That's one thing, like I said, I love this box because it gives back. I just love that it gives back. This is definitely what made the box so heavy. Oh my goodness. Okay, these, okay, so here's the first one, and you can see, but these have almost like a matte, like stoneware finish. I love the, oh my goodness. Okay, so there's the first one. And then, oh my goodness, this is so beautiful. Look at that. And these are good size mugs too. This is absolutely stunning. So I like that, like my husband could use this one and I could use this one. And even though they don't necessarily match, they are a set. So I love that. Those are stunning. Oh, love it. Okay, so our last item is from, it's an Amani Collective, and it's a woven throw blanket, and you could have gotten it in cream or slate. And it definitely appears I got cream. It says, a gorgeous heavyweight throw, lovingly loomed and handcrafted by artisans in Jaipur, India, $120. And okay, so I can see that they're two different, the cream or the slate. The slate looks like it has some tassels, and the cream has these little pom-poms. I love it, I love it, I love it. Oh, and it is definitely a heavier, oh, yes. Like, so you can kind of see the stripes. And then, like I said, it's got like the little pom-poms. I love this. Oh, this was a really wonderful box. I absolutely love it. I am so glad to have gotten that blanket between the two. This item compared to the other two, this is definitely the one I would have wanted. And I love the coffee cups, love a good night cream, love the earrings, and I am excited about this hair product. It smelled really good, and I like the idea of having something that's gonna amp up my hair and not just condition, but actually be really good, kind of like the hot oil and a mask and all these different things. So I am very, very happy with the winter 2020, apparently, Causebox. If you got this, let me know what you received. Did we get the same items? I will put the total value, since there was variation, down here for you guys. And again, I will put a link down below if you'd like to sign up for Causebox and save $10 off your first box. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.